I'm Susan K. Morrow. Welcome. I'm also known as Susie Q&A. Why? Because I'm Susie, you bring the Q's, and I will provide the psychic aid. At least that's what I always say. So today I am presenting you an angel card to guide your day, your week, your right now. And I am using my favorite deck, Magical Mermaids and Dolphins, from Doreen Virtue. And I like her angel cards and oracle cards best out of all that are available. And I always recommend that you get some for yourself. And if possible, choose the ones that speak to you. You don't have to get Doreen Virtue, but they're the ones that I like the best. Okay, so this is, like I said, to guide your day, your week, your right now. Oh, lovely card. A new dawn. That's our card for today, is a new dawn. The worst is now behind you, and positive new experiences are on the horizon. Oh, thank goodness, thank goodness. This coming in the wake of a certain tragedy, which I'm not going to discuss further because you might not see this at the same time. However, it does mean that there are big changes coming in something that's been a problem for you for a long time. There's an improvement coming in whatever that thing is that you just can't seem to beat. That, whether it's having trouble paying the bills, or figuring out your next step in something, or figuring out kind of what you want to be when you grow up, no matter how old you are. That thing that's been kind of lingering and hanging on for about 4 years is about to break loose, and you've got a new dawn coming. So the news is really, really good. Start looking for evidence today, tomorrow, that things are breaking loose, that you've got new ideas, that you've met someone new who can help you, that you found out about a promotion at work. Whatever it is, it starts now. So that's wonderful. And until next time, y'all be good.